Hello friend. Welcome to Excel in Life. This is Mrinal. Today I am sharing first part of progress chart series. This is very simple, and nice looking chart. Keep watching till end of this video to learn this. Please subscribe to this channel, and click the bell button, to get regular notifications. Without wasting any further time, let's start. First set data for this chart. Write value you want to display in the chart. Since we want to show maximum 100%, write reminder formula 100% minus display value. Now we will insert Doughnut chart. Select data, insert chart, select Doughnut. Delete chart title and legend. Select the chart and right-click. Click to format data series. Make Doughnut hole size as 60. Select the reminder slice and format to solid fill with lighter color. Select the value slice and format to solid fill with dark color. Now format shadow with offset bottom. Let us set the 3D format for the slice. 3D format, top bevel, circle, bottom bevel, circle. Format border color to same color as fill color. We do not need 3D effect in reminder part of the chart. Now insert text box to display value. Type formula, and link value cell in the text box. Change the font as impact, and increase the size as required. Apply shadow. 3D effect. Remove outline from chart. Generating random number between 0 to 100% for testing this chart. Now you can see, on changing the value, how our chart is getting updated. In our next video, we will see how to prepare this progress chart. Till then, goodbye.